Hey guys, it's AwesomeBricks1. Today we're back. I'm back with a new video for you guys, and this time we're gonna be making Fruit Ninja. And after a long time, I finally decided to do a Scratch tutorial. So of course, Fruit Ninja does take a lot of time. So for this tutorial, I've decided to split the entire game into 5 to 10 episodes, and each one will be a span duration of 5 to 10 minutes. So each day we'll be covering something new, and if you missed one of the tutorials, I'll be putting this into a playlist so you can check it out anytime. And just to let you know before we get started, I released a new game on Scratch today, so if you're interested in that, you can check it out. So, today we're going to be making um, the Fruit Ninja effect. And what is that? Like whenever you move your cursor, it makes that like cool effect when you play Fruit Ninja. I'm pretty sure you guys know about it. So I'll show you how it is. So whenever you move your mouse, it like makes this cloning effect right behind you. So that's what we're gonna make today. Okay, let's get started, guys. So rename this project to Fruit Ninja. And we don't need this like scratch cat here anymore, so just like delete this and make like a good circle. So the thing on Scratch Editor is that like it kind of cuts half of your circle right here, even though your entire circle is pretty good in this part of the costume. So just try to make sure that like it doesn't cut part of your circle. So the first part of code we need on any game is one click. So to like start out with this effect, the first thing we need to do is like forever go to mouse pointer. So it'll go wherever you go, and this is like the one of this is in the process that we're gonna make the entire game in. So forever go to mouse pointer. So if you don't understand this, I'll just show you as a demo. So it'll go wherever you go, but right now it just looks plain and boring. It's just like a big circle that follows your mouse. So there's nothing cool about this yet. So the thing is, in Fruit Ninja, you have to like press on the mouse pad or on the tablet to slice a fruit. So for that purpose, let's put in if mouse down, then go to mouse pointer. So you have to like what mouse down is like you have to press on the mouse or the tablet in order to move it around. So where's the mouse down? So I'll just show you. You guys may be confused about what that is. So you have to press on it, and that's how it moves around. Okay, so next, in order for that like cool effect, you can't create like 10 costumes and say, or I mean 10 sprites and say go behind this first sprite. So you have to basically create clone. So that's why there's this clone function that we're gonna use. And sorry guys, I forgot. Let's just rename this thing to a blade, or you can also rename this blade. Oh yeah, you can make this any color that you want as well. It doesn't have to be red. So forever create clone of myself here. So we said create clone of myself, but we didn't like put any code or like describe what you should do after you create clone. So there's this function right above create clone of myself called when I start as clone. That's what we need. And when I start as clone, wait about 0.4 seconds and delete this clone. So it stays for like a while and then it deletes itself, but it doesn't matter because there's way more clones in line. So I'll just show you this. So press on this screen, and this is actually a pretty good result that we have here. But if you want to make it more interesting and not just a big pile of like dots like following or like cloning, we can like change size. That makes it quite exactly like the Fruit Ninja game. So let's drag in if let's like get this if statement from the controls blocks, and if mouse down, then change like we have to like change the size, but let's just do repeat 10 change size by -1. So what this does is it changes size by -1. So repeat 10 change size by -1 is basically the same thing as multiplying 10 by 1, and it changes size by -10, but it makes this like it goes slowly, it goes like slowly by -1. It doesn't just change by -10. So that's why I did repeat 10 change size by -1. So let's test it out, guys. I don't think, yeah, okay. As you can see, the size goes slowly, like it goes as you can see, it goes like it kind of decreases, but let me just see what I did here. Change, okay, yeah. So you guys can change it by whatever you want, because if you do it by -10, it'll just be like a bit bigger, because like as you can see, the things are more smaller. The clones are a bit smaller than it was when we did -1. I'll just show you again. So you can change it by however you feel, because like this, it doesn't really look like we changed the size and the clones behind it, but we actually did. So for that purpose, let's just do like -9. It should be pretty cool. So okay, so there's like one last thing that we need to incorporate before we come to the conclusion of this episode. So that's like when you like stop like the mouse, it just like sits there, like it just looks kind of bad, like just a red dot in the middle of the screen or anywhere in the screen. So let's do this thing where let's make it hide if we're not even using it. So if not mouse down, just like right click on this and click duplicate and go to the operations block and click if not mouse down, then hide, and show over here. So as you can see, now it's just an empty screen, because we don't want like just like a dot sitting there in the middle of the screen. So now you have to press on the mouse, and if you can move around, and it's really cool. So as you can see, it looks like exactly like the Fruit Ninja cursor or blade, whatever you call it. So just to like just one more thing, I just want to tell you, you have to press on this keyboard, because I mean on the mouse to make it show, because we did if mouse down, which is basically if you click on the mouse. So don't expect it to just like if you move the mouse, it won't appear. If you want it to do that, then you have to remove the mouse down code. But I think now it's pretty cool. And when you want to test it out, click on full screen, because if you do it here, it doesn't work. The reason is because it thinks you're editing something in this like screen. So when you click on this full screen, it works perfectly. So the next episode we'll be making the main lobby, and after that we'll be making slicing up fruits. So if you like this episode, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my games on Scratch. Thank you guys, and have a good day.